So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am share about one of the biggest application of cloud mining all over the world running now, trxtop.com. So how can you earn money by using your smartphone? You need to just what we need to do. First of all, you need to do here enter your mobile phone number, then enter login password and create unique security password. Security password used for transaction withdrawal. So you can safely note down on your copy or anything. So first of all, after register account, let me know what need to do. So finally my registration is successful. Here you check first deposit to activate miner to get 1 to 10 TRX or USDT random rewards. Recommended to invest in TRX or USDT cycle project. 1.1% to 9% of the income can be withdrawn in full after the end of the contract period. Principal plus income. So guys, in this application you earn money by investing TRX. So first of all, when you click on trade icon, easily visible 6% cloud mining service is working. It means if you invest 100 TRX in this application, you get every day 6%. It means 6 TRX. So when you click on invest icon, here you can see TRX 1 day return. 1 day you can daily return 1%. When we go to down 3 day 1.5%, it means guys there are lot of financial product. You need to do only invest. When you invest, there is a received daily certain amount of TRX. So first of all, let me know I am going to here recharge in this application. Click on recharge icon. When you click on recharge icon, simply you need to copy my recharge address. Okay, after copying recharge address, you need to open your token pocket wallet. So here is token pocket wallet. After open token pocket wallet, you see there are lot of option. So 56 TRX now available in my address. So let us what you need to do, click on transfer icon. After clicking transfer icon, click here. Now enter amount. After entering allow, click on confirm icon. When you click on confirm icon, you can see a pop-up here, submission of a transfer request successfully. It means your transaction is processed now. They take some time to completely. There are time taking by 4 to 5 minutes, so you need to wait 4 to 5 minutes for completely transaction successful. Once your transaction is successful, then you need to do click on recharge completed icon. After clicking recharge completed icon, you need to wait 5 to 6 minutes. During this time, your transaction becomes success and your money is added into your TRX or TRX top account. Okay, so when during this time money is added, I am discussing about one of the most important thing about application share. When you click on share icon, you can see it there is a one referral link. So what you need to do with referral link, simply share my copy link. After copy this link, share with your friend on WhatsApp group, Facebook group, Telegram group. When your friend join, application gives every day some revenue. Here you can see team option. Okay, there are 3 level of team group. Okay, first level, second level, third level. So what is this first level, second level, third level? Let me explain each and every step. Here you can see primary agent, there is an income of 10%. Means if you invite your friend and if your friend join this application and invest 100 TRX, you get 10 TRX. Okay, and if friend invite another friend, it means let me explain everything. There are 3 person, A, B and C. Okay, so if A invited to B, there is a revenue of 10%, then B invited to C, there is a revenue of 5%, and when C invited to D, there is a revenue of 3%. So this is the concept. There are more people in your team, you earn more money. Okay, so let us now consider my recharge successful or not. So here you can see amount successful. So what we need to, how to earn money via this application. So click on invest icon. When you click on invest icon, here you can see one financial product, daily return 1%. It means if I invest here 20 TRX, okay, I get another day 0.20 TRX extra fee. So let us now investing now. So guys, here you can see that my investment successfully. After successful investigation, the application give rewards. Okay, the application give you rewards to earn money. So let us now, I am going to tell about how to withdraw money from this application. Here you can see There is a 10.30 TRX I will withdraw now. This will rewards by your application. Okay, so let us know. I need to do 10.30. After entering 10.30, there is need to enter my withdrawal address. So I am coming here. After coming here, click on receive icon. After clicking receive icon, there is a need to enter my withdrawal address, then security password. So guys, finally I am enter everything. When I click on submit icon, you can see here, you can see your withdrawal request has been processed, please wait. So I need to wait some time because my withdrawal is currently successful. You can check here. So let us tell I am showing you my withdrawal receive or not. Okay, so when I go back and when I refresh my Token Pocket wallet, you can see how fast withdrawal receive. It means this application gives very instant withdrawal. And if you have any problem in future, you can contact via Telegram. Customer service is available, and there is a lot of all language available like English, Chinese and Japanese, every language available in this application. So guys, I am going to end this video. I hope you understand everything I tell about. So guys, thanks for watching.